ni kono gaive saboro Mukere mo Nyaber kapasa nyamoro Iwinya ni usiko Nyati josiaya Amanyi nyaka chekiko Nyalevo ini yogera nitiedana Tiwaro mabedoat Nyamina oko duka donida kuruage Anyisiga para tiwaro mabedoat Nyamina oko duka donida kuruage Inge ochunyo lomba pona doya minga Yoro chinga zeni yopio nyalega bulu Inge ochunyo lomba pona doya minga Yoro chinga zeni yopio nyalega bulu Mara nyamba kakari yo nyonongo Sheri yoti yoge anaula ula Amanyi siti kameja Kenya basne duetika wani udatua Sheria Yawa manyo nyara lego Dewa sandora gimudo Oleo gari oloa Amanyo sheria Nigo sawina ora pongo maturi Sheria rochil Sude chamuato Acheno kamadoro Nigo sawina ora pongo noto Shuri yarochi Nigo sude chamuato Acheno kamadoro Yes, you're
Asante sana. Thank you very big. That was dedication to our very own Martin Shikuku Adoyo. You know, December is approaching. December is near, so we understand. And of course, as a norm, Mangeni Baba Boys is coming. Davido. Breakfast or check Calfree Resort. Date mapoko ngeyo.
Mano breakfast.
But I was on 25th. Breakfast type.
It wasn't 25.
It was. But in December, don't.
In December.
December.
17 Morocco. 18. Would assemble.
He commanded the members catch anything tea. Keta any type of matunda muregi. Koro ngato toma karom ne.
Toma ka. Inyalo kawo nyaka mapokoregi. Yes.
Sausage kone catch so muki catch gin sausage. Ichama karombi. Self service buffet. Gente buffet moro main buffet lakini podi to kuni ten buffet. Macha buffet main self service.
Toko candy.
So karibu sana. Hapa ni the date is almost right.
Yeah.
So Baba Boys, Phyllis Anyango no so kacha Baba Boys. Papa Martin Shikuku Adoyo. And then no correspond Candy. Wapi makofi. Anasema kwamba Akao Mos. Akao Mos. Thank you so much. Akao Mos. Mano Martin Shikuku Adoyo achone Akao Mos na Lego. Then Madam Presidente Bendego Kacha Dole. No alo Dole anaga finya dong. Go finya. Bonyeza. Thank you so much. Kato very own usiseme Filonya Lego. Sema Nyanginya Lego. Anasema kwamba mitu, then anasema kwamba Jenna Cheng nanga maniri wako. Kato very own Baba Boys. Musolo breakfast musolo mustache. Anasema kwamba asanteni for the dedication. Anjeli Nyasiaya Kababa. Omor kabisa maratari. Thank you so much Omor. A long time. Karibu sana. We'll also be here on Wednesday. We'll be here on Wednesday and Friday. So karibu sana. Thank you so much. On Sunday, on Sunday, Saturday King, Wakawuno Saturday Donge, we'll be at Mamba. Then Sunday, also Mamba, but Sunday we'll also be hosting here. Omondi Msingo will be here on Sunday to perform. So karibuni sana. Thank you so much. Yeah, Kopo, if there's any comment, any comments, please comment. If there's any request, please request. We are here. Thank you very big and asante sana. Jenna Cheng nanga maniri wako.